Do PayPal donations on the site, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's not particularly hard. You can do this kind of stuff with plugins or things, but to be perfectly honest, to me it's not really worth having a plugin slow on your site. We can easy enough copy a PayPal code yourself, and the site will run a lot faster because you have too many plugins or software doing that kind of stuff. You just have a really, really slow site. And to be perfectly honest, to do it, it's not particularly hard anyway. We got our button options count. We got shopping cart, buy now, donations, subscriptions, automatic billing, installment plan. We can just go with donations. What this means is people can donate to your site or any site you're running any amount of money. You can change the currency if you want from British pounds to whatever currency you're dealing with, such as Canadian, American, whatever one you're dealing with. You can easily change. Say we're doing American, just for example purposes. Just put it to USD. We can, if we want, put our organization name, donation ID. We can do a range of different things with it. We can also, as well, donator enters their own contribution amount. Donators contribute a fixed amount. Just for purposes, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Donator enters their own contribution amount. Use my security merchant ID. We can, or use my primary. We've got different options for how we can do it. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. Now, what we do is we just copy this into our website. You can do it different ways, but in general, it should work quite easy if you copy it into the text part of your WordPress site. It should work without any problems. If you're doing a full coded site, you just copy it into wherever you need it, or doing other sites. It's basically the same. It's basically, to be blunt, just a copy and paste exercise, and that's you done. Anyway, hope that helps you, and PayPal donations how you set it up.